Everybody's smiling as they march in the parade. There's something that they're drinking, and it isn't lemonade. Whether you are black or white or even old and grey, everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day. It's a festival to celebrate the coming of the spring, and even if it's freezing, you can't feel a thing. There's a million Irish bodies to keep the cold away. Everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day. Well, everybody's waving at each float that's passing by, singing Irish melodies and swaying side to side. Whether you're from Saskatoon or from the Saguenay, everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day. In the middle of the road there's a line of green paint. The parade marshal standing there looking kinda quaint, and everyone can sing and dance about without restraint. And all because St. Patrick was a saint, and we ain't. We'll have some Irish whiskey and we'll eat some Irish grub, and we'll have an Irish sing-along in an Irish pub. And Irish eyes are smiling to carry us away. Everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day. Each St. Patrick's Sunday we try to begin with a traditional Irish breakfast of a beer and a poutine. Whether you're heterosexual, bisexual or gay, everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day.